They call me Puppeteer, dry your tears, golden strings and fragile dreams. Oh, Puppeteer, dry your tears, broken hearts your nimble fingers hear. It's always like this, spending alone here, all on my own here, is it selfish? The pain was mounting, can't let them in here, I'm holding up here, why's the dark so crushing? And then a figure came reflecting golden light, and then the air grew still, I knew it wasn't right. The fear that sprang up in my heart told me to run, but when he sang so softly, I knew that my fight was gone. Puppeteer, calm your fears, to be alone, this pain I've known. Puppeteer, calm your fears, just let go, embrace the warm glow. Puppeteer, dry your tears, golden strings and fragile dreams. Oh, Puppeteer, dry your tears, broken hearts your nimble fingers steer. He's always been here, watching me cry there, he's standing by there, going nowhere. He called her evil, watch what she did there, saw the abuse there, his gaze became wrathful, and then her screaming broke the silence of the dark. For years the trauma I saw left its scarring mark, the veil that had consumed her fell upon me too. He stood beside me singing that sweet song I almost knew. Puppeteer, calm your fears, to be alone, this pain I've known. Puppeteer, calm your fears, just let go, embrace the warm glow. Puppeteer, dry your tears, golden strings and fragile dreams. Oh, Puppeteer, dry your tears, broken hearts your nimble fingers stay. All the broken, stitch them up with this golden token. Relief that finally feel, even if it isn't real. Puppeteer, calm your fears, to be alone, this pain I've known. Puppeteer, calm your fears, just let go, embrace the warm glow. Puppeteer, dry your tears, golden strings and fragile dreams. Oh, Puppeteer, dry your tears, broken hearts your nimble fingers steer. They call me Puppeteer, dry your tears, golden strings and fragile dreams. Oh, Puppeteer, dry your tears,